Hi everyone, my name is Eric Teo and welcome to Fair Price Chinese New Year Special. Hands glove on. So what's going on? I'm going to show you how to prepare a crispy duck leg with Knife brand 100% groundnut oil. So first of all, we get a needle and we will just poke the duck leg. Now this process is to remove the fat during the steaming. After that, we're going to rub the duck leg with salt and a little bit of chicken powder. So we're going to put some spices on top of the duck leg and we're going to steam it. So first, we're going to put this spring onion. And then followed by ginger, a piece of star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, some peppercorn, and lastly, Chinese wine. We are ready to steam. So while the duck is steaming, I'm going to prepare the batter. First, we're going to add the flour, which has plain flour and corn flour. Some baking powder. We're going to add water. So we're going to add some oil. And we're going to set this aside. So now we're going to prepare the sauce. First, we're going to place the chili sauce into the bowl, followed by calamansi juice, chopped shallots, 1 piece of chili padi, and orange zest. And mix them well. And finally, add the mandarin oranges. And now we'll set this aside and wait for the duck leg to be cooked. So the duck is cooked now and we're going to switch off the stove and remove the duck out from the steamer. So we're going to let the duck rest for 5 minutes. Now we will pour enough oil for the deep fryer. So the oil is hot. I'm going to dust the duck leg with a little bit of corn flour and dip into the batter and place it into the deep fryer. Okay, the duck is ready. We're gonna plate it out now. First, we're gonna place the mandarin orange sauce on the plate. And then we're gonna place the duck leg on top of the sauce. And finally, the garnish. I present to you crispy duck leg cooked with Knife brand 100% groundnut oil. May this dish bring you a smooth sailing year. 祝你一切顺顺利利，恭喜发财。